Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2018 Chevy Cruze, and I'm going to be showing you how to reset your maintenance light on this vehicle. The first thing we're going to have to do is switch your ignition over to the on position. Whether it's a key or a button, it has to be on the on position. We're going to wait for this display right here. If there's any warnings, just push this for OK. And we're going to see what buttons we need. Menu to scroll left and right. This to scroll up and down, and this to push OK. So we're going to push menu until we reach vehicle. The first menu that comes up is remaining oil life. You're going to press and hold this button for OK. It's going to say, are you sure you want to reset? You're going to scroll up until you hit yes and push and hold this button again. 100%. You have successfully reset your oil maintenance light. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.